What makes somebody trust your website in 2025? This is a question we are all trying to figure out every day. And we here at Matic, we make a lot of websites. And so we have figured out a few things on why people will trust your website. And this is really a big deal, right? Like you're going to put all this time, all this effort to drive people to your website, to build your website, to create this place of organization, of trust, of information. And so we want to make it easy and we want to make people understand why you should stay there. And there's two things in this video that we want to talk about that are going to help people trust you and your services in 2025. The first one is just a basic function around load time. Keep it simple and keep it easy for the website to load. Many times we get caught up in the experience. We want to make sure that it's got this really cool features and all these little things that are happening. It's really cool and all this stuff. But at the end of the day, people just want their information. They want it simple and they want it to the point. So this is where Webflow comes in really, really well with GSAP and everything they've got built in, that you can create some really cool experiences without bogging down the site. So what we've found is that homepage is that experience above the fold and on the homepage is so important. So you got to keep it concise and to the point and allow people to get that information. So that's not only with the messaging, but also the load time and making sure that it's fast and easy to go and you don't have anything that's bogged down. And the next thing is really just that clarity of that messaging of who you are and why you exist and how you can help people. What are the main things that people can take away from your website in less than 30 seconds so that they trust you and they want to work with you and want to go that next layer down? Knowing your mobile traffic versus your desktop is also a big experience because then you can build it out. For example, Matic's website traffic is 70% desktop. So when we're making decisions on content and information, we're thinking about the desktop user. And then vice versa, if you know you have a ton of a ton of mobile traffic, then you can build your experiences and then you got to make sure it's even simpler from there, right? Because mobile, we're spending a lot less time and we're expecting a lot more, a lot faster. So these are some real simple things that you can think about because people are looking at their websites on their mobile first, and you got to think about that when you're building the site. But know your analytics and know your traffic so you can build it in connection to there. Another opportunity that you can focus on to build trust is testimonials. And so building out testimonials with real reviews, short, specific. A lot of times we get really big, long testimonials, which is great. And you got to pull out the best stuff out of that and make sure you have everything tight and easy to consume. Make it easy, make people understand what you're trying to do and what people are saying about you. Another thing that we want to talk through is just having the website be modern, professional, consistent, reliable, clear information. A lot of times we spend times with our clients and we spend it just articulating their internal message and then what version of it is going to go external. So much is spent there, and that website really forces you to spend time and articulate it there. So when we think about things that can happen and things that that you can do to increase your website, there's, I said two things at the beginning of this video, but really three things that we identified. It's load time, clarity of your message, and then third-party testimonials, authority badges, logos, etc. Those are some things that you can build on the website to really help you allocate for everything that you're doing. So in my weekly challenge I'm going to give myself is I'm going to test out on our website the load time, how much traffic we have. We're going to confirm that. The mobile experience, the reviews, how old are they? Do we need to make updated ones? We got some video testimonials, which are always good. And then the updated modern feel and everything there. So appreciate you tuning in and thank you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next one.